Hey guys, welcome back to Pure Living Nutrition. I'm Julie. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes. It is the raw vegan queso cheese dip. And I love this recipe because before I became a vegan, I used to love cheese. And so this is a great alternative if you are a vegan or if you're looking to lose weight or if you have an intolerance to dairy products. This is again a great alternative for that. So as you know, cheese is high in saturated fats and it's high in cholesterol. And so it's best to go with an alternative that is dairy-free, that is lower in fat, and that is just all around better for you and full of nutrition. And that's what this recipe is. You will need a high-speed blender such as the Vitamix because we're going to be using raw cashews. And you want the nuts to be blended up really well, really creamy. And so I recommend a high-speed blender for this recipe. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to start with 2 bell peppers, 2 red bell peppers because they're nice and sweet. You want to start with the bell peppers in the blender first because the blade catches the vegetables and you're not going to need water at all for that reason. If you do need water for smoother consistency, you can add just a little bit, but start with bell peppers first. A half a cup of raw cashews, and then we are going to be using about a 1/4 cup to a half a cup of nutritional yeast. Okay, and then for our seasonings, we're going to be using 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. We're also going to be using a half a teaspoon of turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili pepper flakes, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. I think that's all that's in here. Okay. And then we're going to be using about 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Earlier, I don't put water in here because I want it to be a little bit thicker, but if you want it more creamy or more thinner or more thin, you can add just a little bit of water. Okay, and then we're going to just blend it up. Okay, so I'm going to pour out the cheese dish so you guys can see what it looks like. This is the final product. And this is so delicious. It has so much flavor from the seasonings, and the raw cashews gives it that nice creamy flavor, and the nutritional adds the cheese flavor to it. Alright, so let's try it out. I have my big bowl of broccoli that I'm going to be eating this with. So I'm going to put this here. And then I'm going to give it a little taste test. I'm telling you, you have to try this cheese. It is so delicious. And I can even blend it up even more to make it even more creamy, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. And it's delicious, like I said, it's full of flavor, and it's so much healthy for you to eat, so much more healthy in terms of nutritional content and fat content. It's low in fat, and you don't have the cholesterol factor like you do in regular cheese. So please give this a try, and if you like the recipe, please click on the like button down below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can do so at Pure Living Nutrition for future notifications on upcoming videos. You can also find me on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram and Twitter, all at Pure Living Nutrition. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy this dip. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.